Hey guys, welcome to ZoloBlocks. In this block tutorial, let's explore the Marquee block feature for creating smooth scrolling content effects in Gutenberg. The Marquee block is a special web feature that allows you to add horizontal scrolling effects to your content. With ZoloBlocks Marquee feature, you are able to load all kinds of blocks and content without any limitations. This especially removes your limitation for content customization, allows you to be more creative, and onboard various layouts inside your Marquee content. Sounds interesting to you? Great! Let's explore the customizations. To start with the Marquee block, you may click inside any empty block container, then type the block name in the search bar, and select the block to insert it. Easy. Once inserted, the Marquee block will show empty block spaces in a continuous column. To explore the available options, you can open the block settings and see under the Basic tab. Also, looking inside the List View window, you can see the Marquee child items listed. You may add or remove items anytime you wish. Now, if you want to load content into the Marquee block, you can click on any empty Marquee child on the screen and select the block you want to place inside. Here, you can add as many blocks as you want. ZoloBlocks Marquee allows that flawlessly. After that, you might want to customize your content and highlight your brandings accordingly. For the blocks used in this case, you can find their tutorial video on your screen and learn about them more. After inserting custom content for all Marquee items, you can venture further into the Marquee style settings. In case you want to show borders around the Marquee items, you will find the option within the Marquee item section. The border option lets you customize border color, type, and border width. Also, you can customize the padding option to add more inner space around the items. Apart from the Style tab, you can also choose to explore the basic settings, which gives you the option to adjust the item gap. Then again, you can adjust the scroll speed to either slow down or shoot up the scroll animation speed. Also, the direction of the animation can be changed from left to right to left. The Marquee block also provides some buttons to customize the behavior of the feature, like enabling mouse interactivity, pause on hover, or draggable item, etc. If you want to style more, you can turn on the shadow button and add a vanishing effect to your Marquee content. Additionally, you can rotate the whole Marquee interface to make a unique presentation easily. Rotate option includes offset controls as well. And not to forget, you can customize the background color of the Marquee, adding even more boundaries to your content instantly. And that's everything at your disposal to make awesome interactive content with the Marquee block. Here's some ready patterns with Marquee, just to give you more ideas about content styles. That's all for this video. Thanks for staying with ZoloBlocks. Please like and subscribe to this video and stay updated for more block tutorials. See you soon!